Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart, and you can see this tiny black color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened above the previous day's price closing. So you can see the yesterday's on the previous day the market closed around somewhere near 445, and yesterday the market just opened above 445. And if you see all the price patterns, every time this happens on the previous day, that was on 13th also, you can see the price closed, the price opening was bit higher than the previous day's price closing most of the time. The last week you can see the Saturday also the price closed in this area, and also the market the next day Monday the market opened just above that, probably around 0.5. So what happened yesterday was that the price opening was bit higher, but we know that we are following this 446. This 446 was acting as a very strong resistance. What we expected yesterday was that we expected till 442 the market has got the good potential to maintain its uptrend. Now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, the price went and tested this 446. As we all know, two times the market had failed to sustain above 446, so it acted as a resistance again. Then the price dropped, but it couldn't push the price below the average. That is the second point we should note. The price dropped, and also you can see again the price went up and tested this 446 again. So many times the market was hitting this 446, and then there was a drop and the market created the low for that day, which was around 443.7. Then there was a bounce back. Again the same thing repeatedly happened. The market tried to break 446, but it is not successful. So it was not successful in breaking this 446. So the price closed around 445.5. So the opening and closing, you can see both are same. So the price opening and closing are same. The price closing is above the previous day's price closing. So if you compare the previous day's price closing, yesterday's price closing was a bit higher. But if you see the volatility, this is just a 2-point price action in copper we had. So the market range, if you see the next part, the range, yesterday's trading range was completely within the previous day's trading range. So you can see the previous day's trading range, and yesterday's trading range was completely within the previous day's trading range. The positive hope for buyers are that I told you know that the price closed above. So still the hope for buying is good, because the price was staying above the average. We were following this trend line which we had drawn, and the trend line and the average line coincides, so it shows that it is going to be a potential zone. But still the doubt was, it is yesterday's market traded within the previous day's trading range, and the price again it didn't move above 446. We expected a closing above 446, but somehow we got a closing near 446. That is a positive sign for buyers. But for selling, there is no sign for selling unless until the market was taking a good resistance. We know that it is taking a resistance around 446, but as a trend follower we don't go against the trend. So unless until the market gives a clear confirmation, we don't go against the trend. And today also we are going to follow the same strategy which we followed yesterday, that is going to buy till 442 unless until we see a strong price action closing below 442, or a price action that breaks the average and the trend line. We don't want to change our decisions. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And today if the price breaks 446, and we were expecting 452 as the next zone. So let us see what's going to happen. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.